And Malacanang also said the necessary steps are being taken to ensure the protection of the rights of the accused Filipinos. Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma says Filipino officials in Malaysia are getting the full details of the charges. Here's Elena Luna.
President directed the Philippine Embassy in Malaysia to extend the needed assistance to the Filipinos charged in the Malaysian High Court for involving themselves in the Sabah standoff. PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma says this is to ensure the rights of the accused Filipinos are protected.
Mahalaga po na malaman natin ang nilalaman ng mga paratang na yon sapagkat layunin po natin na pangalagaan at protektahan ng mga karapatang pantao ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya po nandun po tayo sa yugto ng pagverifika muna at pag-alam kung ano eksakto yung mga paratang sa kanila.
According to Bernama, the national news agency of Malaysia, the Filipinos are charged for violating Section 130KA of the Penal Code or for being members of a terrorist group. It carries the penalty of life imprisonment. They are also facing charges for violating Section 121 for waging war against the Malaysian king. Secretary Coloma says the embassy is busy getting the full details of the criminal cases filed.
Panatilihin lang po yung tinao, no? Lalo po yung mga tuwirang sangkot dyan, no? Sapagkat walang humpay po yung ating pagkilos para ma-resolve ang lahat ng mga usapin na yan sa isang maayos na paraan na naayon sa batas, no? At naayon sa dapat nating sundin sa isang kumikilos ayon sa tadhana ng batas.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.